Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, customers like this telling us about their experience makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing for us is that they take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. All of our customers were new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they are new or returning. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.